Abusia ebeko gold yanka enko kona. Edu Boahen echirem se da bi se da ne si kono de. Omunye enipadom entimi nkoya de. Na fe eba ya ne de ono nkwa na se waje asenu na esoa. Awona obia ebo ni ono na yere ana manfo egu na se. Concerning 490 billion old Ghana cedis scandal na ekọ se Edu Boahen ene ne yiredin ena ebo mu no. Abusia Edu Boahen afi de obekasa. Na obekasa no onkoyi ntumu a se Mahama ka no kra ochi owini ya etoma no eyisika eyesike bi ana de to ka ema Mahama but o ma atwomo ho ehodi Edu Boahen response se onu nko dis ka buya ensema Edu Boahen dia bebo mu de enya asem kuma ensempa ni di Edu Boahen abro so pa de metume bo ase na madwudwa ni statement mama na afi wo so hu ne nema ekọ na Ghana politics de ye mpanimfo we mu Parliament House de corruption cause or nyame nko anim aha Penyah block media mesro say ne de mo obera keep video na wada ro subscribe button so abekle keep notification icon of latest updates na ba kire wa adwen de amame e wo comment section mesro say obaso na shi video mo for so enya bi ahwe 2025 we say there have been whole lot of issue are dealing with scandals NSS scandal ana scandal you say Attorney General Dr. Ayini nani edi akire wise opese o di akira kosiase ebu atentrene epa atentrene ema Ghana the issue of another scandal of NSB National Signal Bureau and also one sector of the National Security Council one sector nibi yes ni na for me within the security aspect of this country National Signal Bureau say na Edu Boahen ene chairman. The amount in question is 49 million Ghana cedis. It is 490 billion old Ghana cedis. Edu Boahen na yere edu deska we nyina. News in there I spread it because of that crown. Attorney General Edu Boahen court, gina court. Last week ni mo Edu Boahen lawyers the statement eba bonse be said the name si kwara say Attorney General the emre show no an nsem as o pese o kire say o ne di assembly di bia ntino o mo ntwe ente ase. Emo be gran say okay na yema Edu Boahen bail ema Attorney General say anti ase ema nso the case no eko yoku economic and organized crime office or the assembly eko na yese ehon esi ade ye detain Edu Boahen ogotwa 1 week ewo hono na ohwe enkomo amanfo enkomo ase yoko boss no Raymond Acha any Attorney General ase omudi no montene so efa Edu Boahen ho a Edu Boahen say afre de na nka me pese me kasa as now that say you are pushing me to the wall. It's a no club be a medjum. Yen yina yentimi kama mu enya de na asenu ane ba mu nyina matwe me nko na me so asenu ane mi komugu. It's a fair that asenu ane be shifom na bubu no obi abefa ne de aswa. For the records, Edu Boahen was appointed by His Excellency John Mahama in his first term. Anna Mahama appointed Edu Boahen as deputy chairman for NSB. But Akufo-Addo so ba ye no in 2021 and Akufo-Addo Kenya mame Emma Edu Boahen NS before Omo chairman. What I say Akufo-Addo came to move Edu Boahen from deputy to the main chairman. Now let's go into the story. Edu Boahen said the name is equal cause there be the auntie as say ye nyina na aka bom ayade. Ba say eba ye no mo nyina no mo de me yire na beto power so no da bia manfo bobie super me say me de ya kromfo eze me nkwa na bi desk 490 billion enya me nkwa na bi ye ntele medwudwa nsemu eje ye de Edu Boahen ekọ yoko no ana na ehoro na ode statement bi ababonte every yoko cells na ehọ na o kire mu say let's read confidential National Signal Bureau say confidential omo national security omo nema ma abonte but now na say Edu Boahen feels say omo pushing it to the wall eja failure obekasa what I say subject matters relating to special operations activities and what funding. And I just said your kind attention to drawn certain development that have risen following unsuccessful attempt to meet due to scheduling conflict with your office. You would recall that subsequent to my arrest and detention in Yoko cells, the Attorney General of the Republic has been very vocal in a number of briefings where he brands my wife and I as criminals and alludes to transactions between a certain national BNC account and private BNC account purportedly owned by us. Edu Boahen that statement to Emma National Security Council so money mo say ya de ma abontene kekesa ya de ma abontene ba munya mani tua ese efri bra Edu Boahen Emma de me ba yoko hanom yi wa kasa bebre je say wo public oye press conference oye press conference am akoka say me ne me yere kra no account be BNC, national BNC, any private BNC, this account, what I say, I cannot tell where the AG gets his theories from, but as your good office would have learned by now, the matter related to transaction between your special service agents, what I say, coordinated account and SPV account, BNC Communication Bureau, duly authorized and created for the national security exigencies of the time and for which my wife and the UMB were instrumental in what facilitating. It is bizarre that Attorney General attempts to link unrelated transfers, withdrawals, and refunds for special operations with assets we do not own and a few we own, which mostly predate the 2020 transaction he raised. A casual look on the part of anyone will reveal these facts. What I say, just and someone there was transaction because attended in his case against me, or boss. So, but no calculation is and some people attend you na can na. It happened 2020 and certain you class eti kakran and this sanity. There's a obi asem mu sukwa obi hu say asem attend you na e kan fam hu nyina. Eye bosirimuka ye nim be gwa konya ne theory ifri a okeka o ye nim be konya ne theory free as all painting me na yere say ye de ye na ye nye. I am also disturbed to note that the services of bloggers and social media influencers have been employed to post and run commentary on these lies to amplify the matter and bring prominence to this malicious agenda against not just our persons but the national security as well. Or just esa ha no esa say bloggers ne social media influencers bo mu a asa ya mo contract esa asem we no mu tun tunyagu entu jamu and they are spreading lies. They are spreading lies. As omu nimu, they are spreading lies. And just say, "I me have me," but omu they have national security no. The National Security Council and omu they go and also any here. As this ridiculous drama unfolds, some 49 million Ghana cedis of special operation funds have now become the subject of court action, where my wife and I, as well as other affiliates, are being accused with charges including stealing and causing financial losses to the state. I have tried to withhold classified information from my interrogators, but I deem it prudent to inform your good office that in light of the current development, we run the risk of public disclosure of the following national security and intelligence operation expenditure items. Enti hey, Edu Boahen ebedwedwamu. Sika na 49 million Ghana cedis na be atwa pia de obi anu a obi a ewibie. Da bia social media bia Edu Boahen ye bo Indian say dey 49 million Ghana cedis sika no 490 billion O6 atato so one na yele o madi sika yi no. Edu Boahen ebechirem o da fe de mo mo nim say nke adwuma yi yensem mpia bontene sa how is make expenditure mpia bontene ba na do ma push me e je de o say mesun be bedwedwamu na me sign mi ti o je nti table no de buy no title special operations expenditure summary. Eti oma discretion no oma reported amount no oma year what I say nipa eko series so one special operations into bracket Taurus Scorpion ACN1 ACN2 Hive. That sika no sika koy 9.5 million Ghana cedis in 2020. Special operations part payment towards special cyber and electronic surveillance solutions. There's a mutual sika way for cyber crime need those at the ade in 2020. 18 pa sika we ko series ICS Holdings. Bebe sika we ko nipo bebe mo receive sika we ICS Holding. And two, Operation Conquered Feast, Counter-Terrorism Special OSPs, Special OPS. What I say, Stability of the Nation, Counter-Terrorism Extremism. This is sika almost spend a year edible or minor home by instead of terrorists. Phobia more free amanane ebetu hye kuro so ebe ha omo ekunkun pa da no sika omo de bo oman no ho bra every that ade no ho 6.9 million Ghana cedis. That is sika no 69 billion. It way from 2020 to 2024. 3. Operation Calm Life, anti-kidnapping violence crimes, stability of the nation, counter-violent crime. Let's say, how see sika omutwa to ayes na police for no necessary crime for omu yisuo say bia kidnap issue be e cost na dey bia charges yemetua ene ye twese bia to bitiri so ana omu intelligence ene omu yisuo ni nyina enkenfo ehyimu ha bi concerning kidnapping almost spending an amount of 3.7 million Ghana cedis. That is from 2020 to 2024. I said no, it was received by what? Various personnel and what? And there were more in various personnel and what? Activities. 4 on his list. Parliamentary Special Enactment of NSB Act 2020. MP's allowance. What I say? MP's allowance. In the MP's allowance from 2020 to 2021. Ska almost spend the year 960,000 Ghana cedis. 9.6 billion. 2020 to 2021. 5 on his list. Parliamentary Special Enactment of what? NSB. That is MP allowances. And who spend 309,000 Ghana cedis. 6 on his list. Elections Special OPS. Allowances and what? Logistics. Yes, about to got 2 years no. What I say? About that 2 years no. December 2020 no. And home expenditure. Any other so stability of the nation, peaceful pooling. Yes, about that got 2 years no. Serbia Security Council be ensure peace. Send to copy about 2020 election got 2 years no. And to copy and that no. Almost spend 7.2 million Ghana cedis. That is 72 billion. It is Kano. 7 on his list. Elections Special OPS and allowance and logistics. That is what stability of the nation that ends 2024. So about to got 2 years no. Serbia to copy any other BNC. And Hoban Boy should be go akwemu. Sika almost spend 6.7 million Ghana cedis. 67 billion. 8 on his list. Elections Special OPS support for opposition party communications equipment for. It is 8 way. Sika say omode ema opposition party. Sika omode opposition party. 2024 about to go to omode NDC. Opposition omode NDC. Omutwe sika we no September 2024. And say omode campaign any ade. What I say 8.3 million Ghana cedis. This is 83 billion. 83 billion. 89 on his list. Ahana semno. Election Special OPS. Logistics into parentheses. Vehicles. 2024 Nissan Patrol. Platinum. 2024 Nissan Patrol. Titanium. 2022 Land Cruiser GXR. December 2024, stability of nation, national cohesion, political party, political impartiality, special aid to president-elect. Otremu say 2020 after say 2 be December ni mu omu talka ema president-elect ye talka ema Mahama car na ye to ye no ye spend 5.1 million Ghana cedis. Ahala asem ne wo. Obeka ye to be wie ye. Ene out of nowhere president elect. You won't say wa launch car, Land Cruiser, GXR, kama Porsche one, bulletproof. Wa launch giant giant. Emma be alleged say e wo no Ibrahim atama no, wo no Ibrahim. Say na asem wo ho. Awusia Ghana politicians, say na asem e wo ho. I say odi abehwim. And human security OPS generators, what I say, human security intervention, national security coordinators, and I do receive here, and so spend 520,000 Ghana cedis. 80 way, and in someone, I do Boahen so Edia Beshim, exposés also Edia from Yoko cells, as the 3 1. Sikana is in question, and you are non quan. Ya titi sikanimu, election NDC, AG say, police for ebeji bi say twi so omo de 2024 election omo de bob by 2021 omo je 67 billion old Ghana cedis. NDC opposition parties kede ma omo eto hwa 2024 NDC omo coalition center na nya sem kuma IT di ahini para say omo IT no omo coalition room enya sem kuma omo nya obotre hye ho kama sere sika twitwuru die 83 billion 83 billion cedis aka omo nsa from Boahen sika we nyina mu but out of nowhere omo claim say e Boahen nko a ana wa wi sika na odi Boahen so aba expose. What is your view? What is your take on that? Try to give me a comment section. Hi, Penyah Media.